Hello, I'm Mr. Duda with STEM with Mr. Duda. I just wanted to post a quick video. I've been posting a lot of FPV drone videos recently, and I'm realizing it's not necessarily 100% in line with this channel. So I am starting a new channel. The new channel will be in the link in the description. And if you're interested in seeing drone, quadcopter, remote control vehicle videos, I will continue to post things about the technical side of it on this channel, like hey, how it works. I've got my planes up here and a couple other cool stuff. I'll post videos about that. Okay, but as far as my actual footage from the quadcopter or the plane or anything in the future, I'm going to be dedicating my other channel to it. So check in the description. There's currently one video on that channel, but there will be more to come. And if you're interested in seeing those videos, that's the place to be. STEM with Mr. Duda will continue to be more of an educational side. Yeah, just wanted to keep those separate because I know it's sort of two different audiences there. So thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Check out my other videos as well as my new channel. So have a great day, everyone. See ya.